Hey guys, John's Vapor Honing Technologies here. We've done a half and half for you. This is a Volkswagen transmission piece here from the transmission. I'm pretty sure this is a Volkswagen bus or van. That's what I was told earlier in the week when the customer dropped the part off. But this part came out impeccably well. You can see where we started, and this is what we have after the vapor honing process. I mean, the results speak for themselves. This part is from the 60s. There were heavy amounts of corrosion on this part. There was some paint on here as well, but look at the thread detail on the studs, how clean those studs are. They look brand new versus where we started right here. And here is the inside as well. This is what you can hand back to your customer. This is something that you can do for yourself every day of the week. This is what excites me all the time when you get parts that come out just like this. Doesn't matter the material you're blasting, steel, aluminum, brass or bronze, everything always comes out remarkably well. If it's steel, a ferrous metal, then we use a corrosion inhibitor in the solution to prevent any flash rusting that's going to take place that could occur. If you have an application, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're always here and happy to help. We can certainly take care of that for you free of charge. And post a comment below and tell us what you think about this part. Tell us what you want to see next. Ask any questions that you might have. We're happy to answer those for you. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.